At the release of this video, Stable Diffusion has updated its version to 1.7.0. If you still want to use Stable Diffusion 1.6.1 for whatever reason, this video will show you how to install Stable Diffusion 1.6.1 for AMD GPU from scratch. I'm currently using AMD RX 6600 XT. If you're using similar GPU spec or better, this tutorial should work for you. The prerequisites. Before you begin, you should install Python 3.10.6 in Git. The link will be available at the video description below. For Python 3.10.6, scroll down until you see Windows Installer, 64-bit. Download it and install it. Since I already installed it, I'm not going to reinstall it. Just make sure you tick the checkbox for Add Python 3.10.6 to path and install it normally. For Git, choose 64-bit Git for Windows setup from standalone installer. Install it normally. The actual installation. Now, go to the drive you wish to install your Stable Diffusion. Create a folder. For my case, I will create a folder as Stable Diffusion. Double-click the folder you created earlier and type CMD at the search bar to open a command prompt. Now, paste the Git Clone Code in the command prompt. The code will be available at the video description. Next, paste the Git Checkout Code. This code will make sure the version you install is 1.6.1 instead of 1.7.0. Once completed, the next code you need to paste will create virtual environment to set up the right environment for it to work correctly. Once you create it, you need to activate the environment. Both of the codes are in the description. Now go to Civitai website at www.civitai.com and download the model of your choice. This step is optional. If it does not detect model during the actual installation, it will download the default model, which most of us don't use. My personal favorite model is Magicmix Realistic, link in the description. Download the model in the root, models, Stable Diffusion folder. I already downloaded the model, so I just copy it to the correct folder. Now back to the root folder again. Find the webweuser.bat. If you couldn't find the .bat, make sure you go to View, Show, and check the file name extension. Right-click and choose Edit. Paste the command line Args code and set command line Args equals. Save and close the file. Back to our command prompt. Type webweuser.bat and wait for it to do its stuff. This is going to take a while, so grab yourself a coffee and do something else. Once everything is done, you can Control left-click the IP to launch the web UI. As mentioned, the version installed is 1.6.1. Enjoy! If you like and appreciate my work, consider to donate at my Ko-fi page. Thank you, and have a great day.